Hi guys, welcome back. So today I am going to share all the products I picked up in this Nykaa Independence Day sale. So I thought I should share my personal purchase with you, done through this sale. All the products are on an amazing offer. There are a couple of skincare and lots of makeup. So now just let's dive into the video. So the first I picked is Vaseline Intense Care Advanced Repair Lotion. It's in the cocoa variant. It smells just like cocoa butter. It is creamy moisturizer. It keeps body hydrated for all day long. It keeps skin soft and smooth. I didn't remember the sale price. I will mention all the price in the description box, or even on the screen too. So then my next pick is Colorbar On To Go Makeup Remover Wipes. I just wanted to try this. I wanted something so that I can carry along with me. So I picked up this Colorbar one. It works really well. I tried one of it already. And the packaging is too small, so it is convenient to carry. So now my third pick is nail paints. These are from the brand Loreal. I have no intention to buy nail paints, but these colors were so appealing. It was as they are calling me. So I picked 3 of them. One in the shade is 660. It's a beautiful metallic gold color. The next is 664. It is a mauve purple nude shade. Beautiful color. The last one is 220. It's a baby pink color. So my next pick is L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick. In the shade 103 I Enjoy. That is what I am wearing today. It is such a beautiful color. It's lightweight and highly pigmented. You should try any color you love. And they are nice and very comfortable on the lips. So the next again is from L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. I heard many good reviews over this, so was waiting to buy this. So now this time I had my hands on this. We'll try this and let you know the complete review about this foundation in my upcoming video. So the next is it's Colorbar Cheekillusion Blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. Actually I was already having this shade with me, but my cousin took that shade. So I repurchased it because I love this shade a lot. It is a long-lasting blush. It is highly pigmented. As I told, I love this color a lot. It is perfect day-to-day wear color. Pigment. The texture of these blushes are really beautiful, and even the color is so nice. It has silky smooth texture to it and looks beautiful on the skin. This is what I am wearing. So the next is PAC Deep Exfoliating Peel Off. Actually I have tried 2 more peels. One is from Innisfree and the other one is from Faces. It exfoliates dead skin, deeply cleanses the pores, restores skin's elasticity, and it regenerates the skin. Gives glows and freshness to the skin, as it includes many of fruits and vegetables and many good extracts. After reading all this, I was not able to stop myself to purchase this. So I picked this. We'll try this and will let you know in my upcoming video. Next is OGX Keratin Oil Anti-Breakage Shampoo. OGX have some intensely good hair care products that are mainly made for damaged hairs. It is very hydrating. It works on colored hairs too. I'm a constant user of OGX shampoos. I don't remember how many bottles I have emptied and how many times I have raved about it. This is what I use on a regular basis. So these were all the stuffs which I have bought from Nykaa on the Nykaa Independence Day sale. Hope you guys like this haul and it will be helpful for you. So we'll see you in the next video. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Bye!